Welcome to this tutorial on learning to mind your own freaking business. First things first, let's define what we mean by minding your own business. It's not about being a nosy neighbor or a busybody. It's about focusing on your own goals and responsibilities, instead of getting caught up in other people's affairs. Now, let's talk about some examples. In South Africa, it's common for people to mind their own business and respect each other's privacy. But in America, it seems like everyone wants to know everything about everyone else. Just think about it. In South Africa, if you see your neighbor's lights on at AM, you don't assume they're up to no good. You assume they're probably just watching a late-night movie. But in America, if you see your neighbor's lights on at AM, you assume they're either having an affair or hiding a body. So, how do you learn to mind your own business? Well, you don't. Why waste your time on other people's lives when you could be living your own? Just embrace your inner nosy neighbor and go ahead and stick your nose where it doesn't belong. Who cares if it's none of your business? It's more interesting than your own life, right? And that's it. Now, go forth and don't mind your own business, because let's be real, who has time for that? Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to keep a secret is to not have any friends.